Good morning, my friends. It's now the next day, and yesterday, after what you've seen last in the video, I just scraped there, here, and there. So there is a whole lot of rust and stuff. And firstly, what I would like to tackle is the needle was stuck inside there. So I've soaked it overnight. So I'm going to see if I can get it out and start with this a lot, and then we go over to this part. But I think I'm going to put you up so that we can see if we get that one loose. Okay, my friends, I don't know how this will go. This is now the first attempt. Let us see if I can grab the needle with two little screwdrivers and pull it out. See, I don't want to break the float. That will be very, very bad. Hope you can see something. Okay, but you got the idea. It's coming. Oh, okay, it's coming, guys. I see now. Something has happened. Let me just make sure everything is fine. Yes, guys. My soaking process worked. It is coming out. I don't want to damage it as well. Okay, that is now a good one. There it is. You can see it is very dirty. So let's have a look inside quickly. Not good. Okay, guys, I'll bring you back in a short while. Okay, my friends, I think all the passages is definitely open, and I've cleaned it as far as I could. All stuff that can come loose, I've taken out, and it's really clean. Every jet, all passengers to the jets here, and the acceleration pump, everything seems to be fine, and as well as that part. So I'm going to put now the float back, and we can see if it seal off, and it have an adjustable float level that you can set there. So I'm not gonna touch there. So let me put the float back quickly and see how it operates. Okay, this is the float, guys. Oh, sorry, the needle. Okay, friends, the float seal very good. If I turn it around, it will not, I cannot blow through, and in this position it goes through. So I think I'm going to put everything back together and give it an outside clean quickly. Okay, friends, it's ready to go back, and the needle and seat work fine, and I clean up some wiring here and on the other side and so on. So everything works. I've checked the accelerator pump. It works. So it should go well. Okay, let's go to the car. Okay, guys, I've got the choke on. This is the choke cable and the fuel cable. So I can now just secure the choke here, and that is fixed. And here's the ground cable. Just need to secure that here to the tappet cover, and then there's a wire from the back that is for the electronic or electrical fuel shut off, and then the 4 screws that hold it on, and the fuel supply and the vacuum on the side. Okay, let me do that quickly. Okay, my friends, I think I'm done here. So I just want to do one thing, and it is do something better with that yellow ground wire. I thought it is okay, but it's not okay. So it doesn't make too good of a contact. And then bring the battery, and then we can give it a try. Okay, my friends, I think it's time so that we can start. But I bring you in the car this time, and then if it runs, we will go to the front. So let's go for it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you want to, let's pull the choke out a little bit. Okay, try again. It runs sort of on choke. Okay, let's pull it out. Maybe that's too much. Okay, something strange. Okay, my friends, I'm sitting here in my office, as you can see, and you've seen it run for a good while, and that was when I try now, after the carburetor is back, I filled up the bowl, and it start up as you've seen, and then it die, and then thereafter it will make nothing. So I tested the fuel flow again from the tank, and you remember yesterday there was fuel coming from the tank. We could see it come out the pipe, and now there's nothing, zero. And I could manage to blow back to the tank, and I could hear the bubbling there in the fuel. So, and I checked at the other point as well, and it does not pump fuel. So I'm not sure if it have airlock or something, but the pump is, I believe it's a positive pressure pump. It's mechanical, it's set on the block. So maybe it just needs to be primed, I'm not sure, but it's about to start raining now, so I can't work further. My plan is actually to take my compressor and just give a little bit of pressure in the tank, not much, just a little bit to press the fuel forward, to see if that helps. But definitely no fuel coming from the carburetor. So this is the situation now. So I'll do that tomorrow, hopefully, because they call for rain. But in any case, I think the carburetor is fine. There's no new problem, whatever it is. Okay, my friends, see you on the next one, and we make progress, very slow but surely. And also the owner come tomorrow for a visit, so we can talk about the car. Okay, my friends. See you. Bye bye.